Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful bookmark with the beautiful texture, and it is easy and quick to make, and it is also fun in doing this. For that we'll need a poster colors, brush, glue, scissor and salt. Yes, with the salt. Let's start. You have to be quick with this type of technique, and then just sprinkle salt over it. And now we'll take the another color. I'm taking here this red. Sprinkle salt on this also. So now let it dry and see the magic. Now see, this salt is dry. We will slowly just scrape out the salt from this. See how beautiful texture comes. Just scrape out. This manner. See how beautiful this texture comes. So now with the help of scissor, I'll just cut it. See this, I have cutted a cardstock for my bookmark. I'll just cut in a rectangular form to stick over this strip. This manner. So this way. Now let's glue it on this top. With the help of this punching machine, we'll just punch here in between this way, and we'll put this satin ribbon in and tie a knot. See, this is it. This is a beautiful bookmark to be kept in your book. So I hope you like this texture and this bookmark. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.